don't want to go at it like I want to.
Filled in our first IKEA flat pack.
So half it's red now. I'm not gonna lie, it does look cool.
Much larger than expected.
Today is the day. Behind us is the lighting tunnel that we ordered from China months ago. It's been here for well over 2 weeks because we haven't had the time to build it. Anyway, let's go get some brekkie. Into the Lamborghini. So Elliot's taking me to the arse end of nowhere, to look like to do a session of dogging. Apparently it does really, really good food. Let's find out, shall we?
I need to.
By taste, I'll take whatever. So that was absolutely beautiful. So the owner of the RS7 has decided that he wants 2 of his wheels refurb. Let's go for those 2 wheels. I'll catch you in a bit.
Yeah, I'll come and grab you in a bit.
What's the password?
Open. How many does it take to take a wheel off, lads? There's just 3 of you stood staring at nothing big.
To be fair, mate, I ain't got a clue either. I just don't want to go at it like I want to. I'm very protective of this.
No, because then you get wood flakes that fly up onto RS7s, mate. Yeah, we'll blow them off. Sometimes the opposite is the right way.
Sometimes left is right.
Sometimes Pete likes wieners.
I don't know when you're filming sometimes. You literally film everything, don't you?
Well, when these plonkers are in the unit, mate, it's funny.
They're our partners. Right, hold on.
We trust Carl, not these two. I mean...
Top fudge packer here.
Right, final box, James.
I'm so conscious of this, you know.
Maybe you just hold it like that.
I know.
So slowly, so fragile.
I know. Just stuck in the... As you can see, that's how thick the lighting tunnel, well, each beam is going to be, almost. So they come a bit further off from the floor there, and then you've got a leg up and then across from there, so it's even taller than this. Mate, get G-Wagons in this. No dramas.
Right, next box, yeah? No, include the bickering of me and James.
No, I mean like on the boxes.
Yeah, but that's not going to see because it's not tilted down. Hence why I'm the videographer.
I'm sorry, boss.
Go.
So we've got a bit of a problem. James, where
It
are we?
might not be a problem. I don't know until we build it, but just from what we see,
Yeah.
I don't think it'll be tall enough. Mate, get G-Wagons in this. No dramas. Let's build it and find out.
It's supposed to look
Like this. These bits are these. These bits here are these. And then these bits across the top are these.
So this is the van before it set GT graphics in order to get its graphics done and everything else done on the van. If you watched the previous video, you would have seen the 3 designs, and in this video you'll see which one won.
Get it done.
Sorted. Right, cheers, John, mate.
I'm hopefully going to have it done today. That's the plan. If
Really?
What, the
If
van?
not-
Yeah. So,
You know.
the latest in the morning. But,
Okay.
yeah.
Alright, I'll fucking
Much
do
different.
Licky. Really does look good. Just got to sort that fucking dent out in that one. Brilliant. Don't you think? It's like with the grey and the matte, mate, it looks cool.
I put my own little touch on it.
Good, mate. Cheers, Joe. Right, I'll go inside and pay some money, mate. That's where you really want it to be.
What do you think? There's a car in the booth. You're in the middle.
But it definitely fit in.
Yeah.
Do you want me to tell the truth or lie?
Yeah, no, tell the truth.
Well, me and Elliot were like, no, yes, no, this one, that one, don't know, da. Figured out like an old married couple.
This is a true test of mine and James's relationship. Is building our first IKEA flat pack.
Honestly. They don't give you a lot of room, mate, I'm telling you. See, that doesn't help, does it? See that there? So half it's red. No.
So you've got the red cable, and then you've got the red
and
black cable.
Which is supposed to be the black cable.
Right, sick.
So you need to spend half a second to be like, Is that definitely the right? Yeah. Right, so you've got a proper triple check that what you are doing is right. That's the same size.
Yeah, but you need one outie. You need one that looks like a hoodie zip and one that looks like that, if that makes any sense to you.
Yeah, it does, but they're widely different. Ah, that's because of the leg. That's why I know what I'm doing. Why are we filming this? Perfect. So you might as well build all six, stack them somewhere,
And then put together.
So we're at step 4, everybody. Step 4. And it's, what time do we start? Like 11?
Yeah.
It's now R4, and we're at step 4.
If you've got that side, I'll get all this. To be fair, it looks pretty good.
Aesthetically, it looks really cool. What are we doing? Are we putting another one on, or are we calling it a night?
Oh, that is a good question. We are on 5:30. Have you got to be home?
Do you reckon we could do one more?
I think we can probably get one more barrier
Let's
on.
do one more. So it's at least halfway, right?
Yeah.
Over there, hopefully. Yeah, to me. To you. Ooh. Look at the state of that as well. I mean, I know it's light, but that is just not acceptable, is it? All it is, mate, you know these like really weak aluminium connectors?
Yeah.
Just make
Steel.
strong- No, plastic. Plastic.
Yeah.
Do a better job than this.
It looks like a steel frame for another unit inside the unit.
I'm not gonna lie, that's looking cool. Do we do another one? Because them bits are already in. Assemble! Erection! Transform! Pivot! I can't see! I can't see what I'm doing. What? Woo!
Right, call it a day.
Yeah, we'll have to call it a
A gay?
What do you mean by that?
Hey! We're going to have to add some more structural stiffness to this. No, at least here.
Yeah. Anywhere, mate. You can kind of see the vision, right, guys? We spent all day putting this up, so we'll see you in 1 second. You ready? And we are back, day 2. RS7. James, where is RS7 gone?
Gone. Paid, out the door, dead happy, on the way back to sheep shagging land.
Yeah. Cardiff, all the way from Cardiff he is. He's a rugby lad. So, we are having a go at the tunnel, V2.
And we sort of realised it's too big. We
Yeah.
measured it on the floor, but then it's going to be tight on the other side.
So we can have one bay with a tunnel if we sacrifice a second bay, is
No,
what
it's
you're
not
saying.
sacrifice. We can still use the second bay, you're just not going to get a Jeep Gladiator in it.
So it's a Fiat 500 bay,
Everyday normal car bay, it's not a Jeep Gladiator G-Wagon 6-wheel bay.
a Vauxhall Corsa bay.
Yeah, just your standard stuff, we'll be able to fit in there.
Standard stuff. So if you're not in the lighting tunnel, you know your car is Right, James, so what are we doing now then, mate?
Well, I need a tape measure to measure out where the next leg's going to go, and
Yeah.
then put the last one in, and
Yeah.
it should be at the end there.
Also, it gives me so much anxiety just seeing all this mess. We will tidy up, guys. The priority is this tunnel. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The lighting tunnel, much larger than expected, is built, or at least erected, I believe is the correct word.
Your choice of words, mate. Erection!
What about them?
We've erected the lighting tunnel. Erection! I would have been, we've built the lighting tunnel. Elliot, we've erected the lighting tunnel. Erection! Thanks for watching. See you on the next video, and hopefully this actually works.